हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज आप देख सकते हैं अपना टैंकर किस तरह का है। सोटकेश्वर सिंह आपको बताएंगे
किस तरह का है टैंकर हमारा। तो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज आवर टैंकर। which company's tanker is this?
अशोका लेलैंड
Ashoka Leyland Equinch. Which one?
अशोका लेलैंड इकोमेट HD
Okay,
1214.
12 or 14.
Yeah,
And which model is this?
it's 2017
17 model.
last.
Okay, and this vehicle is run, I think you can see here clearly how much this vehicle is run.
120.
9 lakh, no, 97,305 kilometers. Bus,
Yes.
only 97,000 kilometers.
Yeah.
Bro, you are very slow driver, you know.
Yeah, it's slow drive, long life.
Yes, but I don't like slow drivers.
I will take run 20-25 kilometer on a day.
Oh, you have a small
Right.
area to drive.
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, you would tell about our subscribers what is the major feature in this truck?
It's major, so much major features. You can see it's my Desi Jugaad.
Yes, I
This
would
engine
like to see
start.
this. This is
You
engine
can
start
see,
button.
Yeah.
If any normal equipment, where is this button? Is where we can find this button?
No, in new command it's not stable.
No,
and not situated.
this is not in.
Yeah, it's
new
our Desi
equipments.
Jugaad.
Desi
If
Jugaad.
your-
No.
If your switch not working, you can take 2 wires
And
self and neutral, and your car is start.
oh, you would if you would like to tell us and this wire, where this wire come and how this jugaad is working.
It's Jugaad is working anytime, anywhere. You have
Yes.
brought a wire and one starting switch
Yes.
and go down on the truck.
Yes.
And self is conductor side.
Yes.
And-
Conductor side. Oh, this side.
Yeah,
Conductor
you
side.
can see it's our
Yeah. If
decoration.
west.
Yeah.
No. In the last we can show all.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
So you can come and I can teach you all things.
No. These guys can't come.
Okay,
We have to teach them in video. You know,
Okay.
in video.
And
Yes.
it's all good,
All good.
not bad,
Not bad.
but it's safe for anytime, anywhere, and rockfall.
Rockfall. Oh,
Yeah.
Very. I think
But
this is
you have
very
cabin.
hard top,
Yeah.
hard rooftop.
Yeah.
You have very hard rooftop.
Yeah.
Yes. No dung is coming inside this
Inside.
equipment.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the dung proof equipment.
Yeah.
Very big dung. Yeah,
Bulletproof
small
and rock proof.
Small dung. Yeah, big dung.
About 1 quintal.
Oh, 1 quintal dung. This can easily handle. Oh
No tension.
no! Oh, I like this. I want to watch equipment like
Equipment,
this.
yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Oh, the next
It's rough
feature.
and tough.
Yes. Next feature of
Yeah.
this equipment.
So it's power steering.
Power steering.
Yeah.
Yes, this is
You can control easily.
Ashok Leyland power steering.
Yeah.
Very easily movable.
Yeah.
Now, but at a time this
It's locked.
this vehicle is locked. That's why this is very tough and hard. You can, when you start the vehicle, this is very very handy and very freely
Yeah.
work this very freely. Okay.
Uh,
So next feature of this equipment.
It's so comfortable for 2 peoples.
No, 3 people.
3 peoples.
You can see here is also one people sleep.
Yeah.
Very good night sleep.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's morning time.
It's show the time.
2:11.
It's 2:11 of and date and
Sunday,
time.
20 August.
Sunday 20th of August. Yes. Now next. No. We would like to see next feature of this equipment. I would like to show our subscriber. I would like to show our subscriber. Oh, there is no flashlight. Okay. I would like to show our subscriber accelerator, clutch, and brake.
Yeah.
You have big accelerator.
Big accelerator.
In darkness you can feel.
Okay.
No. We have lights. Wait a minute, guys. Our DOP is very slow. You can see there is our shoes and chappals. This is our ABC. This is our clutch. Yes,
Yeah, clutch.
this is our clutch.
Hydraulic clutch.
Hydraulic clutch. Oh, you have a new accelerator. No. Old one.
Old, I can maintain.
Yes. And this is our brake. And this is our accelerator. You can see accelerator wire. This is accelerator wire. Very flexible accelerator wire.
Yeah.
Yes, this is our accelerator wire.
I can
And
lost the spring.
yes,
Then
we lost
I
the
can-
spring at Darcha.
Yeah.
When
Come from
we-
Darcha.
Yes.
Yeah, Darcha project.
When we are go to Darcha, we lost our spring
Spring.
in that, in that journey.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
so
very dangerous road.
yes, very dangerous, bro. Very
Yeah.
dangerous. So this is our small cage. No cage. No, not. This is not a cage. This is our
Toolbox.
no toolbox. No. पैसे का box. What we can see
Tijori.
this tijori. Yes, this is our tijori.
In the Tijori,
You can see. Oh, I want scissor, bro. Where? Oh my god. I have scissor. Now you will feel what can I
I
cut
have
in
also
this.
stabilizer who can people speak more then
Yes,
I can
yes,
step.
uh,
Yeah.
So we can pin in their
Lips.
lips.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
we have
tablets.
pins. Yeah, tablets.
It's drugs.
Drugs. Which
It's
type of
used
drugs?
in if oxygen is so very low in
Oh,
Darcha, Leh
Leh
Ladakh,
Ladakh,
then
yeah.
I can take tablets
Yes.
for living.
But I don't have any trouble there because I am local guardians of there. Yeah, I can survive there easily.
Yeah.
And this is our move, I think.
Yeah.
Yes. When
So
I
we are open our tires, so set suit lugging.
yes, start lugging. Yes.
Then I can
After
rub
that,
the
after that, we can rub this and we can feel energetic
energetic.
and fit.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's our first phone. It's 1 year old.
Oh,
I
this
can
is our
start
set.
our
This is
trekking.
our journey's first phone, bro. No, guys. We have do our first blog in this phone. Oh, sorry, there is no camera. So I think we don't have do our first blog in this
It's our
phone.
first phone
Yes. What? This is our first phone.
because it's our labor work. I can do labor work, so I can buy this phone. So
Yes.
I can come on the driving. So I can buy this phone first time.
Yes.
And then another one I can buy. I can
Throw in Vyasa.
throw in Vyas River.
Yes. I know
I
that.
can pay some installments, EMIs.
Yes. So now our Tijori is
Look.
all done, and this is our Tijori's lock. You can throw here, give some dhakka, you can pull here, and this kundi will lock. Okay. This is our switch. Don't touch this switch because this light will disconnect anytime if you touch this switch. Okay. Be aware about this switch. So next feature of our truck.
It's have ABS, so you can riding so fast
Oh.
and you can push this button. It's ABS, and you can anti-brake system. This is controller.
Oh,
Okay, and you can
press the brake.
emergency brake. Your
Yes.
car stop easily.
Matlab jam.
Jump.
This vehicle will jam.
Yeah.
In this is you can see this is ABS system, and this is hazard lights, flash light. You can see outside earth. No, we can't
Go away.
go outside because there is some ropes in the khidki. This khidki is not opening. We have only one window to open. Oh fuck, our charger is disconnected. This is a big struggle in trucking life. In trucking life we have to face too many struggles and too many efforts. मतलब oh efforts को छोड़ो. This is our handbrake. You know, in cars we have a big handbrake. In truck we have a little one handbrake. You know, little one, like 2 to 3 inches, and gearbox. This is our gearbox. I don't have any knowledge. I think this is in first gear. In front, I think this is first gear. In back, second. I think this is a neutral. No,
No.
this is first gear.
Yeah.
Okay, and if we can push this back, and there is second gear, and then little bit this side and third gear, and little bit upper fourth gear, and little bit down, and little bit this side and fifth gear. Our driver is very pro driver. He drive in sixth gear.
Yeah.
Yes, at all
Double
time.
top.
Yes, this driver is driving top gear, and in the truck backside we will show you early in the morning. दम है तो fast कर वरना बर्दाश्त कर. Our
Nagni black.
yes, Nagni black. You can show your Nagni.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, Nagni.
Okay,
Yes,
I can
yes,
see you. It's my Nagni.
yes. This is our Nagni.
खांदे भी नागनी ते लगा के भी रखी नागनी.
Yes, this is Chachu, our DJ Rishi. No, our driver, our rider. Yes. And I think we have make a 11-minute vlog in one take. We are a good vloggers.
Yeah.
You know.
Let's carry on.
Carry on, and next feature. Oh, we have a loving words. You can see this. Oh wow, what a love. You know, we think we have to spread love in a world. That's why we put this inside our truck. And this is Devji. Devji Bholanath. Devji helps us in very tough situation. And there is Bholanath and Parvati and Ganeshji. You know, Ganeshji is very powerful. What would you like to say about Shivji?
Yeah, it's. I pray daily.
Yes.
Then she gave me a blessing.
He.
All them.
All them. They gave
all
me.
the blessing. It's
Yeah.
carefully.
Yes.
So ਆਪਾਂ अब ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਤੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਗੱਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ.
This
चलते
button,
हैं.
this start button. Yes. No.
So-
Firstly, I want to see your key. Where is your key? Yes.
This key is so very secret key.
Secret. No.
Don't-
We just want to see
It's
you.
not used in any car and truck.
Yes.
It's so dangerous for you.
You know, very secret key.
Yeah.
Our public want to see that key. You have invent a new key.
Yeah.
Yes. New key of this truck.
And gaddi vaddi the chabbi choti.
Yes,
Raja Babu.
Gaddi vaddi the chavi choti. I think people think that they are fooling us. Please give some demo in this
I
key.
can
Yes.
see
this.
you. I can
Yes.
put the key in a switch and
You can
see.
see. Meters. Just hold down. Meters light. Where? Yes. This. You can see. This is our key. Invention of DJ Rishi. You know, he created his own key. He lost last key in flood. You know, we are surviving in floody areas, and he lost the keys. And now he invents a new key, and you can see his key ring. What we can say this key ring. ये ओके छल्ले को पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में. इतनी इंग्लिश नहीं आती. Now you can see Simla.
Keychain.
Keychain, yes.
Yeah,
Keychain.
keychain,
Challa
yeah.
is equal to keychain.
Yeah, Shimla automized Giacullo.
No, Shimla. No, not Shimla. It's Simla. Not Shimla. Simla.
Sim is
Ah,
coming
Simla.
from nose, you know.
Yes. So this is Simla. And next feature about this track, you can see here parrot. I think this is parrot. And this is also parrot. And this is what is there? Oh, there is everywhere ferret. We love
Yeah.
ferret.
So, little dolls
Where is
front of the mirror.
Little dog. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. Here can you see there is andhera? What you can feel there is little dolls inside our truck. मतलब अपने ट्रक के अंदर छोटा छोटा गुड़िया भी है. छोटा छोटा गुड़िया क्यों रखा है आपने ट्रक के अंदर? For inspiration or for entertainment? Why you keep these two gudiyas inside the truck?
I have 4 but 2 lost.
Or too lost?
Some monkey peoples come and put
Oh,
and
and
throw.
throw your gudiya outside the truck.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, very sad.
I have one eagle.
Eagle?
It's- People put and go to home. Yeah,
Oh,
what I can say.
eagle is flying and
People
go-
flying and eagle chilling.
oh, eagle chilling and eating dage mesh at the nala. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so next feature, this is our light. You can see very dangerous light, and
So fog is coming down up.
yes, you can
on the
see
river.
we are staying here at near Vyas River at location Ludhiana. Yes, please tell about our location where we are stay right
We
now.
are at Ludhiana.
Ludhiana.
So riverside
Yes,
near the Park Plaza
Yes.
hotel.
yes,
So we eat dinner in Park Plaza
yes,
with some cocktails.
yes.
Yeah, tandoori murga
Tandoori murga,
and Afghani murga.
Afghani murga.
It's unique.
Chili paneer.
Afghani murga is so sexy. Yeah,
Yes,
it's so it's-
tasty, yummy.
yeah, yummy.
Yes,
Yeah.
very delicious.
Oh,
You
good
can't,
bad.
yes, you can't feel this taste. This is very
Yeah.
delicious.
If you eat the Afghani chicken, you can go to Afghanistan
Yes,
freely.
yes.
No visa.
No visa, no tax, no pay. You are
You
just
can
go
feel
free.
Afghanistan here.
Yes, you are Afghanistani citizen.
Yeah.
Yes, if you eat Afghani murga. So this is Afghani murga. Please eat this. Okay, this one is Afghani. This one is Pakistani. Okay, you can
Yeah,
see.
some good mantras.
Yes,
Good powers.
These
Om
are
Mane Padme
some
Hum.
respect for our culture and everything. And this is Jule. Jule means namaste. In Ladakhian language, Jule means namaste. And this one is Om Mani Om Padme Om. And this is a prayer in Ladakhi's people. They are pray for their good time and they are pray for their everything. You know, this is their worship to God, and we respect this. And we have center fruit, and this is very. Yes, our ustad is eating center fruit, and we are sharing center fruit. You know, I would like to show you. This is mine center fruit. And next feature about this equipment, sir.
It's have so features, so I'm going to rest.
Rest.
Some rest. I'm come from Ludhiana.
Yes. No. We are
We are
came
in
from
Ludhiana.
Himachal.
Yeah,
And
Himachal.
we are at
And
Ludhiana.
Ludhiana.
We are tired very, and please show the time. Show the time.
So road is so very dangerous in HP.
Yes.
So floods come,
You know,
rock falls
Sukh
come.
is
Our Sarkar is not ਕਰਿੰਗ ਕੁਛ ਵੀ
ਕੁਝ ਵੀ nothing ਕਰਿੰਗ
ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਾ ਆਇਆ ਪਿਆ
ਯੈਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਜੀ ਰਿਆਂ ਜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਜੀ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਏ ਜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਆ ਵੀਰੇ
ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਪੁੱਤ ਹੈਗੇ ਬਾਬੇ
ਹਾਂ ਬਾਬੇ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਹੀ ਵਲੌਗ ਬਣਨਾ ਵੀਰੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਵੀਰੇ
ਟਾਈਮ
ਦਿਖਾ ਦਿਓ guys ਨੂੰ।
ਦਾ ਬਸ 2:30 ਵਜੇ ਆ
2:30 ਵਜੇ ਵੀਰੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਹੈਗੇ ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ तो टाइम हो गया 2:30 बज गए तो now this is our time to rest. Please guys do subscribe our channel and
like share comments.
yes and also
I want
support
2
us.
million view,
in
not more, 2 million only.
only 2 million.
Yeah, 2
okay,
million
this
only.
is very easy bro. People are very very fast.
Yeah.
They can do this in a second, few seconds. You can see 2 million views. Okay.
Okay.
So at the last, what would you like to say our subscriber?
So stay safe at home,
Yes,
carefully,
carefully.
and don't try at home. So I can say you,
Yes,
it's dangerous for you.
yes.
You can break down the lock
Lock. Yes,
of the car
yes.
carefully.
Carefully.
Okay, guys.
No. Last message for our youth. For our youth is going to in alcohol, in smoking.
So alcohol is injurious for health.
Yes.
So
Save water
you
or
can
drink.
drink more and more and lost the drink.
Okay. You can drink too much alcohol and drink will finish
Yeah.
on earth.
Finish.
Oh, we have to survive and fight for that.
Yeah.
Okay, at the last we would like to say that we have to fight together and drink together.
Yeah.
Yes,
All time you can take drinks.
yes,
ਤੇ
And-
ਨਸ਼ਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਰਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ.
yes. And now we will
Going
meet
to
you.
sleep.
Now we will meet you at next vlog. I think tomorrow night or morning.
Yeah. Morning time we go to a Leh Ladakh trip.
Okay.
So-
At the morning we will show you Leh Ladakh, and our lightings are flickering. You can see her green light, there is red light, very much comfort. We have one client, he is sleeping very cheap to sleeping, you know. He is our roti banane wala person, our cook, our chef.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's Langri bhai.
This is Langri Bhai. Oh, I forget his name. This is
He
Langri
made
Bhai.
me Afghani chicken, yeah, rice, chapatis,
Yes, fulkas.
yeah, and he
Okay.
make little drinks. It's so very strong.
Drinks?
Yeah.
Oh, don't
It's
drink
our-
and drive.
No, I can stop our truck and take drink so much,
Oh,
and then flat.
and then sleep there.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. But you can't drink and drive.
yeah,
You are very always to rules. You know, you are very good person.
yeah.
At the end, we would like to say that please do subscribe our channel and
Get
like,
you
comment,
with
share.
the new vlogs
Oh, just
again and again.
keep watching and waiting for next vlog. See you guys. Ciao, bye bye.